Do you know what key this music is in? There are no flats or sharps. In this one, there are 2 sharps. What key? There's 1 F sharp. There are 3 flats. Do you know what key this music is in? Now, let me show you how to tell what key the music is in by looking at the key signatures. For sure, each key signature has 2 possible keys, 1 major and 1 minor. But once you know how to figure out the major key signatures, you can figure out the minor key signatures. For this lesson, we will only look at major keys. G comes after F. So this is F. The key is the note above the F, which is G. That's G major. Now, if there are 2 sharps, the last sharp sign is the C sharp. The note above C sharp is D, so that's why it's called D major. The next one, the last sharp sign is G. F, C, and G. The note above G is A. So if people ask you what key the music is in, if there are 3 sharps, that you can comfortably and accurately say, confidently say, it's A major. If the music has 4 sharps, 1, 2, 3, 4, this last sharp, D sharp, the note above D is E. That's E major. Now we are looking at major keys. Now look at the next one. There were 5 sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last sharp is A sharp. The note above A is B. So that's your key signature for B major. The next one a little bit tricky. Be a little bit careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sharps. Now this sharp is E sharp. So the note above the E is F. Don't forget this F is already an F sharp. So the name of this key is not F major. It's F sharp major. If you say F major, it's wrong. You have to say F sharp major, because E sharp, after E sharp, it's F. The F is in the key, there's a sharp, so you have to say F sharp major. There are 7 sharps in this key. All the notes are sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last sharp is B sharp. So the note above B is C. Now again, don't forget, it's C sharp major. Now, what key is the music in if there are no sharps and flats? That means it's in C major. There are no sharps and no flats. That one you have to remember. When there's no sharps or no flats, that's C major. Now, let's take a look at the keys with flats. When there's 1 flat, you have to remember F major. Okay? Just memorize this one. Okay? 1 B flat key signature is F major. Now, after that, the second to the last flat is the name of the key signature. Okay? B flat is the first one. That's second. So you go back to the second to the last, which is this B flat. And that's the name of the key. B flat major. Now let's go forward to E flat major. There are 3 flats, 1, 2, 3. The last flat sign is A flat. The second to the last is E flat. And that's the name of the E flat major. For 4 flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, the last flat is D flat. The one preceding the last one, the D flat, is A flat. That's the name of the key signature. Okay? Now, there are 5 flats here. The last flat is G flat. The second to the last flat sign is this D flat. Now, that shows you what key the music is in. It's called D flat major. For 6 flats, the last flat is C flat. Look back 1 flat. That's a G flat. So this is in the key of G flat major. The last one, all the flat signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 notes, all flats. Now the last one is a F flat. The second to the last, it's C. Because the C, this is a flat, so you have to say C flat. You cannot just say C. Now, let me show you how to do the exercises online. There are 5 flats. Remember, when you have 5 flats, you need to look at the second to the last flat sign to find out what key the music is in. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They appear one after the other. So this is the second to the last. So that's a D flat. Now you click on D flat. Do not click on D. That's not correct. D flat, major. Now you have 5 sharps. Now for sharps, you don't figure out the same way. You figure out the flat signs. Remember, for sharp, you look at the last sharp sign and go half step above the last sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A sharp. So what letter comes after A? It's B. A sharp followed by B. So that's a B major. You find the B, you click on the B. That's correct. Now you have 7 flats. That's all the flats you can have in a key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For flats, you go back, you look at the second to the last flats. That's the last one. This is C flat. Okay? C flat. So this is 4 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third is A flat. Don't click on A, you need to click on A flat. This one you have to remember. Okay? This is F major. This one you just have to remember. F major. 3 flats. 1, 2, 3. For flats, look at the second to the last. That's the E flat. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have seen this before. That's a B major. The last sharp is A. The letter after A is B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, we have seen that before. 7 flats. The second to the last is C flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flats. Sharps. Look at the last sharp. last sharp is E sharp. What letter comes after E? It's F. Now this F is F sharp. It's in the key, so you have to include the sharp when you determine the key, the name of the key. It's F sharp major. F is not correct. F sharp major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have seen that before. Second to the last is C flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's D flat. I'm going to go faster. For sharps, you go to the last one. That's a G. G, the letter after G is A, so that's A major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 is G flat. That's F. You have to remember that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second one is a D flat. 1, 2. So look at this one, B flat. 1, 2, 3. We have seen that before. The last one is G. The letter after G is A in music. A major. 1, 2. That's B flat. 1, 2, 3. The second one is E flat. Remember, if there were no sharps, no flats, you have to memorize that. That's C major.